Today, we must never be silent while Palestinians are denied that same justice and legitimacy in this very hall. Excellencies, Thucydides warned, the strong do what they can, the weak suffer what they must. We must reject this doctrine. The United Nations exist to reject this doctrine. We must stand for all, the strong and the weak.
Titik Soeharto rela begadang demi tonton Prabowo pidato di PBB, bangga sampai tak bisa berkata-kata. Ketua Komisi 4 DPR RI Siti Hediati Soeharto alias Titik Soeharto, mengaku bangga dengan Presiden Prabowo Subianto yang menyampaikan pidato dan mendukung kemerdekaan Palestina di Sidang Perserikatan Bangsa-Bangsa, PBB. Apa ya?